If you seek a robust method to assess your business performance, our KPI Tracker Excel Template enables you to build a tailored dashboard for tracking your key performance indicators, KPIs. This user-friendly Excel template simplifies the process of measuring progress and efficiency over time, facilitating comparisons against established milestones and goals. The KPI Tracker Excel Template offers an exceptional solution for monitoring and evaluating your business performance metrics. This tool is designed to enhance your performance tracking process, allowing you to optimize your success metrics effectively. By acquiring the KPI Tracking Excel Template, you can elevate your business operations to new heights. This template includes the following modules. 1. Settings. In this section, you can determine the start month and year and set the percentage rules. 2. Indicator registry. This section allows you to log your organization's essential indicators and choose the measurement format, e.g. $, number, accommodating up to 12 indicators for easy visualization. 3. Metric or indicator tracking. The template includes a table for monthly documentation of primary metrics associated with each KPI. Here you can record the data for each indicator established in Section 2 in a simplified manner. 4. KPI Dashboard. Based on the monthly data entries, a comprehensive dashboard is generated, displaying results for each KPI. In this section, you can view the relevant metrics of each indicator according to the recorded data. 5. Overview. Access a summary of each indicator, displaying key metrics over selected periods with a convenient drop-down menu for month selection. 6. Status View. An elegant dashboard provides a clear visual representation of the current status of each KPI. Unlock your business potential. Transform the way you track performance with our KPI Tracker Excel Template. Create customized dashboards and monitor your success metrics effortlessly. Don't miss out, get yours today.
Template available from Solus Enterprises. Visit our site at solusenterprisesstore.com.